Wet chemical fire suppression systems involve several components beyond just exhaust fans. Firstly, fire detectors are essential. These devices detect an alert to the presence of fire, and they typically include smoke detectors, heat detectors, or flame detectors. Secondly, the control panel receives signals from the fire detectors. This panel activates the suppression system and initiates alarms. Thirdly, there is the wet chemical agent reservoir, which stores the fire extinguishing agent, usually potassium acetate. Fourthly, a piping system delivers the agent from the reservoir to the nozzles. Fifthly, the nozzles disperse the agent in a fine spray or mist, covering the fire area with a cooling and smothering blanket. Sixthly, the discharge mechanism releases the agent from the reservoir. This can be manual, such as a pull station, or automatic, such as the sprinkler head. Seventhly, alarms and signaling systems notify occupants of the fire alarm and instruct them to evacuate the area. These may include flashing lights, sirens, or voice messages. Eighthly, suppression zone isolation separates the fire suppression zone from the rest of the facility to prevent the spread of fire and the extinguishing agent. This can involve fire doors, dampers, or curtains. Ninthly, exhaust fans, although optional, remove smoke, fumes, and heat from the fire area, enhancing visibility for firefighters and occupants. Tenthly, security features prevent unauthorized access or tampering with the system, which may include tamper switches, security locks, or access control measures.